Now the fourth program is interface keyboard and display the key code on LCD. Now we'll start with the explanation of this program. See, the first two line is the including the header files. That is, first one is inbuilt header file, that is lpc17xx.h, and second one is include lcd.h. For this we have a user defined header file that is called as a lcd.h. So first we'll look into the lcd.h. That file is mainly consisting of some inbuilt programs. That file mainly consists of some inbuilt functions. We have to import those inbuilt functions in the main program. So that program is mainly consisting of, see, this header file for lcdc file. So this is mainly consisting of some user defined functions. Functions are lcd underscore init. See, here we have some set of functions. So those functions are from lcd.init to the lcd.puts. These are the some functions, and some variables are we have defined here. The functions are lcd underscore initialization, write, clear display, delay underscore lcd communication. These are the some user defined functions. Similarly, we have some unsigned long integer variables, that is temp1 to temp2. So we defined these all the variables and functions here, and we made it a header file for the main program. So we used this header file in the main program, that is keypad program. So that is we used in the second one. And third one is wide scan. See, this is a user defined method, that is scan, for scanning the key codes. Okay, so these are the some functions. And next we defined some set of variables as shown here. So here the unsigned character, that is message 1 up to 14 characters, and second character variable is message 2 up to 13 characters, and third is character of some character variables, column, row, variable, flag, key, and pointer, and some integer variables i, var1, temp, and temp3, and some another character function, that is scan underscore code, means it only scans the 16 numbers, alphanumeric numbers, that is 0 to 9, a, b, c, d, e, f. Okay, so next is the functionality start with the, so that is what main method. Here we have a main method. So in a main method, see these variables, please look at these variables. See, we have a variables 0 to b, and next is 0 to f. These are the 16 characters what we are this one going to scan, and these are placed in the this 16 addresses. These are the 16. Okay, see 001E, 01D up to 001E2 up to 00. See, these are the 16 addresses. On these 16 addresses, we are going to display these 16 alphanumeric characters, that is 0 to f. So this is about the declaration. So now coming to the main method. See, this is the integer of main method. So in this main method, see, we have a pin select one. We declared some port pin 1, 22, 23, made general purpose input output, because 4 columns 4 row, so 20 to 23 means 20, 21, 22, 23. These are the 4 general purpose input outputs. So these are made as a functional input output function input output directions. So see here, apart from this, we had 15 as a general purpose output 15 as a general purpose output, and 15 to 18 as a general purpose input output. See, 15 to 16 to 15 to 18 as made as a general purpose outputs. For a columns 4 and for a rows are 4. Okay, so now first we used in LCD. See, here you just go through this one. We have a function called lcd.initialization. First we need to initialize the LCD. So in this LCD, this LCD underscore initialization is function from the lcd.c header file, and we declared the temporary variables, and we'll communicate with this variable with the LCD initialization by calling the function called lcd underscore communications. So this, there is a, see, once there is a delay to print the key code on the LCD, that delay is 800 nanoseconds. So LCD underscore it puts the value message 1 up to 0. This message 1 is the variable. See here, message 1 is the variable which is already defined here. That message 1 is first always BG MIT Mudol. The information will be, or name will be displayed on this one. Later on, if you press the key, it is going to display the numbers. That numbers is 0 to F. See, while 1 in we declared while 1 inside the while 1. So totally how many, means totally 4 rows and 4 columns. Row 1, for row 1, row is less than equal to 5 means 1 to 5 is 4. Row plus plus. If row 1 is equal to, row is equal to 1, the variable is from this address 0 into 0 0 1 0 0 0 0. Else if row 2, else if means which key we are going to press, that information or that key code will be displayed on the LCD. So this is about the all the 4 rows. Similarly, for I is equal to 0, I is less than 16, I plus plus, totally it will scan for the 16 alphanumeric characters from 80 to F, 0 to 9 numbers and ASCII code A to F. So this is about the, and it is scan method is we use. This function will be going to scan, this function will be going to scan the key codes, and same information whatever there in the key code will be displayed on the LCD. This is about the explanation of the program. Now we'll look into the how to execute this program in a key. So for this, just I'll minimize this one. Now next go to the key software. Once it is open, please close the previously opened projects. Now go to the fresh one, create a new project. Okay, so for this project we already created a folder called lab in a D drive. For this I'll write a project name as a P4 and I'll click on the save. Okay, now search for the kit, that is LPC1768. This is the kit. Select this one and click on OK. Now click on yes. Okay, once you click on yes, see in the left hand side panel you will get the target. So next go to the file, click on new file will be. Now here we will write the programs. Now I'll copy the programs. Okay, go to the file and save the program with the respective folder with the .c. This is the keypad, so I'll give the name as a keypad.c. Okay, that is save. Okay, similarly one more file, because we need to write the header file for this program, that already we know that header file is. So that header file, we just go to the header file, whichever the header file, that is lcd .c, it is the same name. Now I'll copy this one, I'll paste it here and I'll give the name as a, I'll save this program. That is, see in the main program I have used a name as a lcd.c. I included a file lcd.h, that is small letters. Same thing we have to give it. Go to the save as the same folder lab, give a name lcd.h and save it and save this program. You just next is go to the project and for this I have to give a name, not this one. Save as lcd.h. Now click on yes. And for this, that is save as key keypad1.c is the program. I'll click on save. Now I have saved both the programs, and now I'll go to the project. In the project I'll go to the translate. So before that, just right click on the target, expand this one. Now add all the three one, add existing files to group, means all the this keypad one going to add, okay, and header files, that is lcd.h. see lcd.h I'm going to add, and start lib library file, that is also need to add. See here start lib selected and click on add. Next go to the C drive, kill R, next folder is startup. In a startup go to the NXP, the folder will be available with NXP. In NXP LPC17, here select the system and click on add and close. So once you expand this source group 1, you will get all the files. Next right click on the target one, go for options for target. Here select the tab output, click on create hex file, select the file linker, click on this one and click on OK. Now it's time to compile the program. Go to the project, click on translate. Okay, next for this one project, go to project and click on target. Here your hex file is created. So the next part of this is what? Now we have to dump this one using the Flash Magic. Open the Flash Magic. Okay, already it is in the communications. We have a comport 12. See already in shown. See here go to the computer properties and device manager, and here go to the port. See here it is a port. So here we have a comptol as a comport. So just you need to write this comport here. It is already is there, so as well, and browse the file. So this for browsing the file. See already we have a program. So go to the hex file of this which one? Keypad program, that is hex file already it is created. So select this keypad.hex, open this one and start executing. Once you start executing, okay, we have some